Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you are going to learn how you can do screen mirroring from Samsung Galaxy A32 with any Android TV. First of all, here we are giving a disclaimer that phone used is not actually A32. However, for educational and demo purposes, we have used this Samsung phone. Okay, don't worry about it. Let's learn how you can do screen mirroring from Samsung Galaxy A32 with any Android TV. First of all, make sure that your phone and TV is connected to common Wi-Fi. Okay, so let's check it. First, go to the phone and go to Wi-Fi of your phone here and see the Wi-Fi signal. Here, 5G is used. The same Wi-Fi should be used to your TV too. So go to your TV now. Go to your TV and select settings of your TV. Just go for settings in your TV. Settings is available here and click on network and internet and turn on Wi-Fi and you will be seeing the signal from your Wi-Fi. Okay, here surrounding Wi-Fi are available, only one Wi-Fi and it is already connected. So name is here 5G. So phone is also connected to 5G and TV is also connected to 5G. So both TV and phone is connected to common Wi-Fi called 5G. Okay. Now come to your phone. Come to your phone and go to Google Play Store and search for Google Home app. Google Home app. Google Home and install this Google Home app. Click on install and just wait few seconds for downloading and installing. Yes, it is being installed. Yes, installation is complete and click on open. Now click on get started. Click on next. Give permission if it is asking. Here you have to select the email ID. The one you have used in your TV too. So your phone and TV should also use common email ID. Okay, so here I have selected this email ID and click on OK. And click on next. Give permission and click on next. Give permission and skip this step. And here select devices and your TV device will be appearing here in the screen. Yes. This is the screen and this is the TV signal. Just click on it and click on cast my screen and click on cast screen and click on start now. Now your phone screen will be mirrored to TV. See what you actually see in your phone, that is also seen in your TV. If you would like to control volume from the Google Home app itself, here you can control. Otherwise use your TV remote to control. See here. This is TV remote and you can control. Okay. And if you would like to use another screen, yes, you can go for it and whatever screen you open, that will be seen in your TV too. See. So in this way, you can easily screen mirror from your phone Samsung Galaxy A32 with any Android TV. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.